Good day. This AI physics, and you know now by now, AI is original AI. As Akinola do follow me, like me, share me, and also advise me. So, um, physics. Uh, I just want to be giving you the key points. The only thing you need to know. Your teachers will continue to give you notes, read the notes, follow me, like me and share me and watch me. You gain more because WAEC is coming. It's no longer as usual. That's copy and paste from the net to you. That one has gone. We are going to computer era where what you know will reveal all this unnecessary and nonsense A1, B2 without anything. It's no more. So that's why you need to watch me, follow me, listen to your teachers, and have textbooks and every necessary other things. Position distance and displacement. In physics, like I told you the previous class, we you need to understand the concept. You can't just grasp solving questions without knowing the fundamentals, the basic things. So now, position distance and displacement is SS1 topic. What is position? See, position is a point or place you are watching me where you can be located. A place or point where you can be located, we call it what? Position. So, which mean, but in physics, you cannot say a place where chemical can be located, a place where a place where an object or a body can be located. Or don't say a place where so person can be located. No, 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 no. Don't mention anybody's name when you are defining it in your class. A place, a position is a point or a place where an object or a body can be located. So uh, now this position, we have distance and displacement. You can locate any place, any position by distance or displacement. Let me, distance is gap between 2 points. Let's say you have this is point A and this is point B. The gap between this place, we call it distance. Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. Or a gap between 2 points is known as distance. Gap between these 2 points. So now what is that difference between displacement? Displacement is even the accurate one. You know, let me assume that 5 meter. If I say, master, move 5 meter, I can move like this, I can move like this, I can move like this, I can move anywhere. So far is from I started from origin, reference point. Reference point is known as what? Origin. So far I start from it, I can move anywhere like this, that distance. But displacement, you have to specify the direction. Okay, master, move 5 meter towards your right. I move like this, 5 meter. Move 5 meter toward your left, which means I've specified the direction in which to move. Distance direction is not specified, but displacement direction to follow is specified, which means to locate any point, anywhere you are, you need the displacement direction. Let me start with small thing. Let's say from your house to your school now is a 100 meter, and when you close, you went back home 100 meters also. And do you know that distance is a scalar quantity, which means you think of magnitude, the length, the length only. Direction is not needed. But this one, displacement, direction is very, very important. That's why it's a vector quantity. Now, if they ask you A, find distance A, B, find displacement. Our distance A, just add everything together. Let's say 100 plus 100, that will give what? 200 meter. But the displacement is what? 100 minus 100, which is equal to is there, because you left your house in the morning, you went back again when you close. You did not leave your house, you still remain in your house, which means the displacement is still zero, but distance is addition of every movement. But then also that maybe you are coming, you went to the school in the morning, and when you're coming, you went to your friend's house. You now reach your home, and your friend's house is this. Is just this is your friend's house. Let's say is C, and this is from home to your school. From your friend house is 60 meter. What will be the distance? What will be displacement? Distance here is 160 because you had everything together. But this one, the displacement is what? 100 minus 60, which means you have moved 40 meter away from your house. You have been displaced 40 meter away from your house. This one will be 160 meter. This one will be 100 minus 60, which is equal to 40 meter. I get what my point now. So now, we have what we call plane and space. Plane and space. You can locate anybody in the world by mere locating to, we have what we call coordinate geometry. We have y-axis, and we have x-axis. You know, direction to this right hand is positive, which means your zero is here, which means you have 1, 2, 3. Here left is negative, that's -1, -1, -2 in that way. Now, from here is positive y, and that here is negative y. Now, this origin, which is called reference point, the beginning. So let's assume that uh, you move, you are here, you are here. Let's say this point A. You are in this position. If direction is specified, you move from here like this, along the S, you come like this, Y, you pass through X, then you pass through Y, which means we call uh, coordinates. This X1, S1, this Y1. That's the value of X here and the value of Y. Multiply this. Let's say you have another point. You move again to another point B. Let's say this S1 and you move like this. This is S2 and this place is what? Y1 and this place is Y2. Then the coordinate here will be S2, Y2. I think you can see now. Let's assume that you want to know distance between 2 points. This is a point. The coordinate is x1, y1. The coordinate here is ys2, y2. We can do like this. From here to here is s1. From here to here is s2. We want to find this place. This will be x2 minus x1. This place is y1, this one is y2. This place will be what? Y2 minus y1. Then distance between these places is straight line. But don't mind my hand. So this one has formed right angle here. This one has formed right angle here. Let's say this point is point C. Point C. Point C here. Then you can see that to find distance between 2 points here, we are going to make use of Pythagoras theorem. Because when you have a right angle triangle in which one of the greater angle is right angle, this is right angle, and it's 90 degrees. This side is what? Hypotenuse. And the rule of hypotenuse says that hypotenuse square, this hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of two opposite sides. That's AB square, this AB here is equal to AC square plus BC square. You can see that we have our A, B in this. AC now is AB. Our AC is S square minus X1 square. BC plus Y2 minus Y1 square. Which means our AB now, find the square root now. Our AB is equal to square root of S square minus X1 square plus Y2 minus Y1 square. That is if you have to find the distance between the 2 points, just use this formula. And this two-dimensional coordinate, we call it plane. But when it's three dimensional, you have x, y, z. You call that one space. So you should know that. Let's try to solve one or two questions on this because you can meet it in exams, OBJ, maybe JAM or WAEC safe. So you can meet this thing. So I believe that you have you have drawn it and copied it down. You know the way we got. That's why I said that. But physics, you have to understand the fundamental, the basic thing, how that thing is being derived and gotten. If you know it, the thing will be in your head. Okay, you can see that this thing is just direct question. If you meet them in JAM or post JAM or any other exam or even theory, wide. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. I'm going to discuss when you have this distance and displacement when it's just single this thing. So the distance moving by single. Now, when you have a coordinate, this coordinate A is 3, 2. B, the point of B is 4, 6. What that means that this one is S1, this one is Y1, this one is S2, that's Y2. Using that formula, we have AB to bracket S2 minus X1 square plus Y2 minus Y1 square. Just submit the value. AB equal to our S2 here is 4. 4 minus S1 is 3 square plus Y2 is 6 minus Y1 which is 2 square. Which means AB now becomes the square root of 4 minus 3, 1 square plus 6 minus 2, that's 4 square. That gives us AB equal to 1 times 1, 1. 4 times 4, 16. which means our AB is equal to square root of 17. So that's the answer. Let's solve one more. Let's solve B. And at your own convenient times, you go and solve that B. Now, that is a CD. CD here is equal to what? S2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now, our x, that's a CD now, equal to, what's our S2? Our S2 is 2. Our S1 is, please be careful when you see negative. Be careful. You can make mistake. Just, we have minus here before. My marker is. We have minus 1 here before. This one is minus 1. That's the. Just open another bracket, minus 1. Everything is square. And we have plus y2 is what? Minus 7 minus 3 square. You can see this y2, this y1. CD, this D, it might be equal to 2 minus minus plus 1 square plus this minus 10 square. That's the CD will now be equal to, that's a 3 square plus minus 10 square. Now 3 square is square root of 9 plus 100. That's CD is equal to square root of 109. That's the difference between the points. Let's solve question on displacement. Question on displacement. Question on displacement. Question on displacement. I think I've seen the way. Go and do C and D when you get to on. This is a question on displacements. Question on displacements. Can mean WJ or any other question. A man walks 10 meter due west and then 10 meter due north. You have to know cardinal points. This north, south, west, east. And that must be a reference point, origin, where that man started, that boy started walking. And a boy walk due west, which means, let's say it starts from here. You know this west. You walk like due means straight like this. Due, sorry for my drawing. Due west, that's 10 meter. Then due south. You also move like this. 10 meter. Then find a displacement. Just find this place. You know this is a right angle triangle. which means you find from normal triangle that's be this one will be let's say A B C. Our AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. Our AC square is not, we are not knowing it, we don't know it, because our AB is 10 square plus 10 square. That's AC square is equal to 100 plus 100. AC square will be equal to 200. That's AC now is equal to square root of 200, which is the same as a AC is equal to, if you have calculator, press it, that's 100 times square root of 2. That's AC is equal to 10 root 2 meter. 10 root 2 meter. But you can also as well find the you can also as well find the displacements. Displacement. I mean the angle in which is this thing. So that's the answer. Another question here is another question here. Let me write it. You get work 12 meter northward, 5 meter eastward, and 7 meter southward. Find our total displacement. This one. You get work 12 meter northward. Reference point, let's say you move like this. And is 12 meter northward. Then eastward 5 meter. You move like this. 5 meter. 5 meter. 5 meter. Then and 10 meter southward. You now move like this. 7 meter. 7 meter. You can see that this has formed rectangle. If you do like this place, two sides are equal. This one will be 5 meter. And if you remove 7 from 12, which means this place will be 7 meter. The remaining one of the words will be 5 meter. 5 meter here. Then you now find the displacement of that man, of that girl. Displacement will be this girl. You now find the using the Pythagorean theorem. That is, let's say A, B, C. That means A square plus A square equal to AB square plus BC square. Our AB is 5 square plus 5 square. That's C square is equal to 25 plus 25, and that's the 50. AC AC is equal to square equal to 50. AC is equal to square root of 50. That's AC is equal to square root of 25 times square root of 2. AC is equal to 5 root 2 meter. Even if it's OBJ, where the stop is where you stop. If it's theory, you can also press root 2 multiplied by 5. Root 2, square root of 2, square root of 2 multiplied by 5. So you get to 0.071. 0.771, you get that as an answer. So thanks for watching me. Like me, follow me, and share me. So and advise me as well. This is your AI Akinla Idowu. That's number one original AI. So